Alright guys, we got a 2008 Ford Mustang GT / California Special CS, as you guys can see right there. It comes from the factory. They had it specially ordered with all these stripes. These are painted in. They are not vinyl. They're actually painted in. They put custom lights on it on the front, on the back, custom wheels, really nice stance on it, under 100,000 miles on this thing, which is freaking awesome. What he brought it into us for, it's already got catalyst down pipes, as you guys can see. We didn't do any of this. What we did is we put a couple of sleeves in that were leaking and it was hanging down. So we put those and 2 hangers on it. Came with 2 Dynamax race bullets. As you guys can see, there'll be a link in the description for them. And he's got pipe bombs out the back on each side, right there, axle back. And we adjusted that for him. You guys can see the welds there and there. We adjusted those for him on each side to complete it and make it look right. Make the stance look right for him, as you guys can see. With these pipes bombs, they have a resonation inside of them to take down some of the drone. That's what they're built into the tips, as you guys can see there. I don't know if you can see the perforation. So there it is. That's all we did on it. We didn't touch anything else. Guys, we got a clean 2006 Ford Mustang GT 4.6 liter. This car is mint. Look at that. Wow. It's an 06, guys. It looks like a brand new car. It's got nice black stripes, grayish purple color. I like it. It's different. I like the black out wheels. Just got a really nice presence to it. Don't you guys agree? Anyways, let me show you what we done on it. It's got stock manifolds, then high flow cats right there and right there, and then down pipes into a 3-inch X pipe right there, and then 2.5-inch pipe continues out the back factory. And then he brought it to us and we installed 2 Valvetronic mufflers, one there and one there. And if you guys are not familiar with Valvetronics, they've got a valve on them up here. When the valve is closed, which is in here, it routes the exhaust fumes through the muffler, out inside the muffler, and then out the back. And then when the valve opens, it goes straight through like a straight pipe. So you get 2 completely different sounds. Whenever you want it quiet, you close the valve. Whenever you want it loud, you open the valve. So you get the best of both worlds. Really nice design. And these are universal mufflers that Valvetronic started selling. We put them on for them and then ran the vacuum lines through the trunk, as you guys can see right there, through this access point and into his cigarette lighter and got it out done for him. There's the box of the Valvetronics. Here it is. As you guys can see, even the back of it is clean. It's mint all the way from Pennsylvania. So we said we got to hook them up with a video. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Yeah, it's cleaner now. That sounds sick. No more leaks. See these every day like that. Got custom rears, just clean all the way around. That sounds really nice. GTCS California Special. Got the 4.6 in it, guys. Very nice. This is with the valves closed, guys. You guys can see it still has tone, but just a lot quieter. It's really quiet at idle. This is idle. Right at 68. Give it gas. Right at 95 when it peaks. Again. is open. I like it open. Here's sound decibels at idle. You see, from 94 to 116. Huge difference. That's where they're closed, open. Amazing. Closed. Open. Open and close. Ford Mustang GTCS. Look at that nice stance on it. I like it. Well, a stance like that too. Here's round 2 of the Mustang GTCS California Special. That's where they're closed. He's gonna bring it back in a second. All the way from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, guys. They drove down to us and we hooked them up with some Valvetronics designs. Universal mufflers. That sounds phenomenal. Wow. Enjoy, guys.